All right, so I'm going to give y'all a little visual of what I see here headed to my family land. Like I said, it's over 125 acres of land out here, virgin land that needs to be developed. So like I said in the first video, I need some visionaries. It's time that we get our shit together, because it's been over 50, 60 years since my granddaddy been dead, and ain't nobody done nothing. We only have a few family members living out there. Nobody growing no food. My uncle, he has some cows out there, but ain't nobody even transferred the land from my grandfather's name. And we just have to do better as a people and as a family, you know. Some of this stuff is on us. We can't keep on the white folks this and the white folks that, because, you know, I understand back in the day that people had limited education because they didn't allow black people to go to school no more than the 8th grade. That's so that they could use and abuse you, get over on you. And so I get it. But now we have people in our family that have highly educated people, degrees, entrepreneurs. It's time. It's time for us to come back. It's time for us to develop this land. It's time for us to start growing our own food. It's time. I've been looking at mobile homes that I can put out here. A mobile home. I was going to pull the trigger on one. I was just about to purchase. And something told me, wait until you get your food truck off the ground first. And then I'm going to move forward with getting a trailer home and putting out here. But the first thing we need to do is get the business part in order. And that means getting the land surveyed and plotted. That's the first order of business. And I won't rest until it gets done. Because like I said, we're not uneducated people. We know how to take care of business. And it's time we get that business taken care of. We used to have our family reunion on this land. But now, because there's no form of shelter in place on the land, people are too old, it's too hot. We need indoor accommodations. It's been over 30 or 40 years since we've been having this family reunion, maybe more. And we still don't have an adequate place to have a family reunion. We coming up here paying people to use their accommodations, renting out their spaces, when all we have to do is build up our own. I need some visionaries. I'm calling all visionaries. The visionaries in Dallas, the visionaries in Houston, the visionaries all over Arizona. I need some visionaries. I need somebody to partner with me on this project. I need several partners, family partners. We need to be growing our own food. We need to be allowing people who don't have places to stay to be able to live on this land. It shouldn't be nobody homeless in our family. We can build a whole community here. It's time. The time is now. And if we continue to sit around and say what was and what we can't do and this, that, and the third, and we can't do this and we can't do that, nothing will ever get done. We need our business in order. This is family business that need to get in order. And it's sad. I'm calling all visionaries. All visionaries. That's who I need. I don't need the naysayers. And see, I'm one of the youngest grandchildren. I have 2 under me. We are the youngest grandchildren in the family. My grandmother and grandfather had 13 children, so there's 13 heirs to this property, to this land. 13. And that's a lot of people to deal with. 13 families. But we got to get it together. Because what's going to happen is we not going to get it together. Then we going to leave it for our children to try to get it together. And they ain't going to get it together. And then their children ain't going to get it together. And it'll be an ongoing cycle. I'm not going to rest until we get this business taken care of. It's time. I'm calling all visionaries, Robinsons, Cooper, descendants. I need you. This is Cousin Treese, and I'll be in touch with you all soon.